Welcome to SEMA, your selection facility. A facility and destination you can send clients where they'll be greeted like family and not like a number. Upon arrival, your clients will be greeted with a friendly smile and a welcome landing page, ensuring your clients feel right at home. This facility and service was developed to give custom home builders somewhere to send clients to engage directly with the manufacturer and not get overwhelmed by too many choices. Making a booking for your clients is easy. By navigating to the bottom right-hand side of our webpage, you will find Book a Selection Appointment. Click and scroll down to Western Australia to select an available date and time that is suitable. Complete the fields required and press Submit. We will receive a booking confirmation on our end, allowing us to ensure there are no interruptions during this period. We have 190 products on display, supported by a fully stocked warehouse. Within 48 hours of your client attending our selection facility, we will send you a proposal that includes all products your client selected, along with recommended retail values, product codes, and embedded links to all relevant technical data. This proposal format can be sent directly to your preferred merchant price.
It's our hope that we've given you a good understanding and explanation of our selection facility.
If you would like to know more, simply reply to this email on the details below.
Thanks for watching, and bye for now.